10 DIY detox drinks for weight loss and cleansing. Want to lose weight? Try detox drinks. They are made of fruits, veggies, and herbs that help flush out the toxins, boost metabolism, cleanse the gut, and aid faster weight loss. Here are 10 easy DIY detox drinks for weight loss and cleansing that taste yummy. Note: the long-term effects of detoxing are not scientifically proven. However, detox drinks are made with natural ingredients that have proven health benefits. DIY detox drinks for weight loss. 1. Green tea and lemon. What do you need? Water. 1 green tea bag. 1/4 lemon. How to prepare? Boil a cup of water and place a green tea bag in it. Add the juice of the lemon. Drink it while it is still hot. Benefits: green tea is a good source of catechins, i.e., dietary polyphenols that exhibit anti-adiposity effects. A study was done on mice demonstrated that the lemon polyphenols from a lemon peel extract significantly reduced weight gain. 2. Honey, lemon, and ginger. What do you need? 1/2 lemon. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/2 inch ginger root. 1 glass of warm water. How to prepare? Heat a glass of water. Do not boil it. Use a mortar and pestle to crush the ginger root. Add the lemon juice, crushed ginger, and honey to a glass of warm water. Drink it while it is still warm. Benefits: a study conducted by the San Diego State University on rats has suggested that honey may reduce weight gain and obesity. 3. Lemon and cucumber detox water. What do you need? 1 lemon. 1 cucumber. Mint leaves. A pinch of salt. Water. How to prepare? Cut the lemon into wedges and slice the cucumber. Toss the pieces into the jar. Add a few mint leaves and a pinch of salt. Pour water into the jar. Drink this water throughout the day. Benefits: cucumber is a low-calorie food with high water content, 95.2% water. Studies have found that a diet low in energy density is an effective measure to improve weight loss and managing body weight. 4. Pineapple lemonade. What do you need? 1 cup chopped pineapple. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon maple syrup. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. A pinch of salt. How to prepare? Toss the chopped pineapple in a blender and give it a spin. Pour the juice into a glass. Add the lemon juice, maple syrup, cayenne pepper, and salt. Stir well. Benefits: a study done on rats on a high-fat diet revealed that pineapple juice induces the upregulation of fatty acid oxidation by molecular gene regulation. Thus, it has the potential to reduce weight gain and obesity. 5. Orange and carrot juice. What do you need? 1 orange. 1 carrot. 1 tablespoon honey. Coriander leaves. Water. Ice. How to prepare? Slice the carrot and peel the orange. Chop and toss them into the food processor. Add a tablespoon of honey and throw in some coriander leaves. Add a little water. Give it a spin. Add ice before drinking. Benefits: carrots are rich in beta-carotene and loaded with fiber. Foods high in fiber increase satiety, feeling of fullness, and decrease subsequent hunger. This can help reduce food intake, thereby leading to weight loss. Oranges are replete with vitamin C. Vitamin C is inversely associated with body mass. Adequate intake of this vitamin can help oxidize as much as 30% more fat when combined with moderate exercise. Thus, it may help you lose weight. 6. Beetroot and mint juice. What do you need? Beetroot. A handful of mint leaves. A pinch of salt. How to prepare? Chop the beetroot into cubes and toss them in the blender. Add a few mint leaves and a pinch of salt. Give it a spin. Drink while still fresh. Benefits: beets are low in calories and high in fiber. Adding fiber to your diet helps control appetite and reduce weight. It is a great cleanser for your liver. Make sure to drink the unstrained juice if you intend to lose weight. 7. Strawberry and cinnamon detox water. What do you need? 7 to 8 strawberries. 1 cinnamon stick. Mint leaves. 1 liter water. How to prepare. Cut the strawberries in half and toss them into a jar. Throw in some mint leaves and a cinnamon stick. Pour a liter of water into the jar. Keep it in the fridge overnight. Drink it cold to rejuvenate your body. Benefits. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a bioactive polyphenol. Research suggests that ellagic acid may help manage obesity and related complications. However, more human clinical studies need to be conducted to prove this effect. 8. Fruits and carrot juice. What do you need? 1 carrot. Choice of fruits: blueberries, prunes, apples, pears, strawberries, grapes, and/or grapefruit. Black pepper. A pinch of salt. How to prepare. Toss the chopped carrots and fruits in the food processor. Add a little salt and black pepper. Spin it. Benefits. Fruits and vegetables like carrots, blueberries, prunes, apples, strawberries, grapes, and grapefruit are good sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These fruits and vegetables aid weight management and prevent weight gain with their high fiber content. Both soluble and insoluble, low glycemic load, biologically active polyphenols, and natural sugar. 9. Buttermilk detox drink. What do you need? Buttermilk, plain curd. Mint leaves. Coriander leaves. 1/2 carrot. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seed powder, roasted. A pinch of salt. How to prepare. Pour the buttermilk into a jar. You may also mix 2 tablespoons of plain curd, a pinch of salt, and water to make your own homemade buttermilk. Roughly chop a few mint leaves and coriander leaves. Thinly slice half a carrot. Blend the carrots and herbs into the buttermilk. Add a pinch of salt and a bit of roasted cumin seed powder and stir well. Benefits. Curd, or yogurt, is a natural source of probiotics that strengthen the digestive system. Its nutritional composition and lactic acid bacteria may improve gut health, help manage appetite, and aid weight loss. However, the role of yogurt in weight loss remains controversial. 10. Tomato, leek, and cucumber juice. What do you need? 1 tomato. 1 stick of leek. 1 cucumber. Mint leaves. How to prepare. Chop the tomato, cucumber, and leek and toss them into the food processor. Add a few mint leaves and give it a spin. Benefits. Tomato is a good source of lycopene, which has the potential to aid weight loss. A study conducted by the China Medical University found that tomato juice effectively reduced waist circumference and BMI of 30 young females. Do detox drinks really work? Certain detox diets, like the lemon detox diet, have shown positive results in aiding weight loss and improving insulin resistance in pilot groups. However, these results cannot be generalized to the general population. Restricting calories and macros and including more water-based concoctions in your diet is an effective approach for quick weight loss. However, this is a temporary water weight loss from the carbs in your body, not fat loss. Drinking more water than macros breaks the glycogen stored in your muscles for energy. When should you drink detox drinks? Detox drinks should not be your meal replacement. They can be taken as early morning metabolic boosters to maintain hydration levels. You can also drink them between meals. Listed below are a few detox drinks that will keep you hydrated and act as a temporary weight loss solution. Conclusion. Incorporating lifestyle changes and healthy practices into your daily routine is the best way to lose weight. Detox drinks will add extra hydration and nourishment to your body. But solely depending on them is not an effective long-term weight loss solution. Start your morning hydration with any of these detox drinks, drink them between meals, focus on healthy eating, and get adequate exercise and sleep to lose weight the healthy way. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.